In what is possibly the dumbest purchase I've ever made in my life, I have Elon Musk's The Boring Company's Burnt Hair fragrance. The Boring Company, they specialize in digging underground tunnels for transportation and putting out burnt hair fragrance for $100 that I pre-ordered sometime last year, probably last summer, and it kept getting delayed, Can't cancel your pre-order, so I'm stuck with it. Here it is. Let's see what burnt hair smells like. Now, I've never really burnt hair, right? Except that time the grill got a little crazy and I singed some of my arm hairs, but I didn't really smell that. So I don't know. So it comes in this black box. It said it's an unboxing, right? And as you open, the essence of repugnant desire. So this isn't supposed to smell good. They know that. It's a joke. It's an expensive joke. And it comes in this felt burnt hair singed box. Christ, you can smell it through the thing. It's not good. Oh, God. There's a little pamphlet in there. Or a little, not pamphlet, a card. Hey there, smoke show. Congratulations on your purchase of burnt hair. It's going to be lit, but not lit early. Flip over this card for some boring legal language about flammability. There's that. On the off chance you want to read what I just said. They tell you it's full of alcohol and will burn. Oh my God, this smells so bad. I haven't even opened yet. It smells horrendous. Good God. Also, just while we're at it, Boring Company. So the box is collectible if that's your thing. I don't want to. It smells so bad. I don't want to spray this. Let's pop it open. There she is. Oh, because it's leaked out. Oh, it's so much of it is leaked. Not that I not that I care that much. Oh, what does this smell like? It smells like I don't even need to spray it. Ah, fuck. Like a bad smell. This doesn't smell good. Here's the bottle. It says burnt hair singed. It's in the cheapest glass bottle with the cheapest glass top. It's leaked out in shipping. I don't know how much it's supposed to be full of. I don't know how many milliliters this is. It doesn't say. This is the cheapest fragrance for $100. Good God. Now it's on my hands. I'm gonna have to shower before I go out tonight. It's all over the cap. They did a bad job at that. I don't know. Go figure that they're not experts in making fragrances. I really don't want to spray this. It's not good. It's not good. It's very earthy, very burnt smell. Maybe not even burnt. Like, you think burnt, you think like smoky, fiery. This is just a very leathery, earthy, not good scent. Now I have a whole bottle of it. I don't know. Why did I do this? This is dumb. Burnt hair, singed. Elon Musk, The Boring Company. There she is. If you have a bottle of this, I don't know. Join the club. Burnt Hair Club. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.